Hey guys, this is Steve, and this is just a really quick video that I'm going to put on my channel for how to add Binance Smart Chain to a MetaMask wallet. I'm going to go ahead and go over to a different browser right now to show you, and I will have a couple links at the end of the video for some other videos about how to use Binance Smart Chain, both how to get money to it from Binance US and my video about the different tools that can help you find projects. But this is just to show you how to set up MetaMask. So we're going to go ahead and go over here to the Opera browser. I set this one up so that I could do this on a different browser where I don't already have MetaMask set up and working. So on whatever browser you want, the first step actually is going to be to come to this link I'm going to put that's going to bring you to the Binance Academy that's going to walk you through how to do this. The first part of this is going to be telling you how to go ahead and add the MetaMask to your browser if you haven't done that, but I'm not going to focus on that because I think this video is more for people who want to get on Binance Smart Chain who are already on other platforms. If you want a full video explaining how to install MetaMask, let me know and I'll make one of those as well. Okay, so you're going to scroll down here to where it says add a network and add the Binance Smart Chain network, and that you're going to be adding the mainnet. Go ahead and normally open this up on a separate tab and pull it to a different window because you're going to want to be able to copy some of this stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and just type it out when I'm showing you my example. So on a fresh install of Ethereum, of MetaMask, it's going to be set up to use Ethereum, but it can use the Binance Smart Chain. You just have to click right here and you have to go down here to custom RPC. Then you have to copy over the information that is right here on this page. And so I'm going to do the Smart Chain, followed by the URL that's right here, followed by chain ID 56. Currency symbol is BNB because BNB is the gas for this one, and the Block Explorer URL is going to be HTTPS BSC scan, very similar to Etherscan. So, and then just, double check all your, like right there, I almost made a silly mistake and forgot my forward slashes. Just double check you've entered everything correctly, and then it should show up with save. You go ahead and save the network. It's going to take a moment. You hit add. Oh wait, that's if you wanted to add a different one. So now you just go ahead and back out, close out of here, and you will be on what it's called Smart Chain. And you can actually change this nickname a little bit. This is just the one they do in the example. You can change it to Binance Smart Chain. You can change it to whatever you want. But for this example, I just used exactly what was on here. You do want it to be something that will let you know you're on the Binance Smart Chain. So I would suggest putting BSC or Binance Smart Chain. For the example, I just did a pure copy so that you can see me doing exactly what's on here. And at that point, you're now on your Binance Smart Chain. You can actually copy this account, but it'll be the exact same account of your Ethereum address. If you don't like that, go ahead and click here, click create account, this account will go say like it's my BSC account because I want that one to be separate than my Ether account because I don't want everybody who knows my Ether address maybe to come over here and see everything I'm doing on BSC. Well, now I've got the BSC account up here, and as you can see, I have the two separate accounts. And so now the first step is going to be to send some BNB over here. And then once you have some BNB on there, you can go ahead and start using any of the different sites like PancakeSwap, Auto Farm, Value DeFi, Cub Finance, Vlad Finance, all the different things that are in my videos. So thank you very much for checking this out and have a good day. Bye.